Hello guys from Valley Redwood. My name is Nasos Georgalis and I'm working with Epilysis Solutions. And in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I'm not trying to sell you something. I'm here to help you understand what you need and how you can utilize it in your business. It is very often in the world of the internet that most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Nasos, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take the free attack plan that I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. And not waste any more of your time or mine, let's first talk about content. And we are here at your website, and here in this on this first page you need at least 1500 words to be optimized with Google. And you guys have I'm not counting, I don't need to count, you have like 200, most 150. On the other hand, your main competitor, Cascade Rock, they also don't have a lot of content on their page. So that means they are very beatable. Every month, people are searching for keywords, like, let's say, like you are ranking for 500 keywords, they are ranking for 825 keywords. They're looking for keywords like a big amount of time. So you miss out by not being number 1. As we can see in Ahrefs, it shows us that your site is actually ranking for this is Cascade. Let's go to your site. So that you're ranking for 500 words. And if we go here, we can see the positions that you have. So you have Valley Redwood, Sacramento Redwood, Valley Redwood. You have your number 1 in the keywords that relate to your brand. Of course, this brings you some traffic, but it leaves you out some traffic that other guys are taking. So here, for instance, Redwood deck maintenance, Redwood fencing materials, landscape materials, Sacramento, you are falling below the first page. So not very optimized for the customers who are searching for you guys. They are going to other guys. They are going to this guy over here. Because if we see his keywords, we will see that, okay, he is having his homepage, and then he's ranking overview. He's ranking for 825 keywords. Let's see here. So if we go here, we will see that he ranks again. Landscape material Sacramento, he's number 1. Landscape rock Sacramento, 100 volume search every month, he's first. So Cascade Rock, he has 1,000 on his own, he's well known. So he attracts by his name only, he attracts a lot of volume. But if you see all these volumes, Landscape Rock Sacramento 100, Cascade Rock again 100, so Landscaping Rock Sacramento 100. So what we can see from these keywords is that again he's very beatable. Like we can do it better. And first thing we see here, if we go and search for Sacramento landscaping materials, is that the first thing we see after the search query is this map. Okay, and what I want to talk to you about in this next section is about those maps that we are calling it the Google Map Pack or the maps, and on these results you can see business name, address, and phone. So now you're asking, hey Naso, how do I rank in maps? The answer is that we use some special software we have, and we are checking that you have, let's say, 20 citations and the competition has 38 citations. Once again, a beatable area we can conquer the competition, because we can go and do what the competition is doing, the citations and the websites, the directories that they are ranking, because these citations are submitted word by word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, CityStar, so on and so on. Even Facebook are an area where you can submit as a citation. To beat them with citations, we need to have the citations they have and a little bit more. So this is something that it's very, very beatable. Like if we go here, again, we see all the other guys and we are here. So we can go up here. If we have good citations, we can rank even higher. So let's go back to our search and let's talk about backlinks now. So if we talk about backlinks are related to the organic search area found underneath here. So that is a very, very important aspect of Google that we call link juice. You can see we search for Sacramento landscaping materials and your site is not number one. Now, this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. And this link juice, simply put, works like this, like site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a relative site linking to you, that would be more effective than, for instance, Pizza Hut linking at you, because you don't selling pizzas for a living. So if you are looking to use this tool, for instance, and we go back to you and we do the overview, at the overview, we can see that you have 31 referring domains giving you 78 backlinks. So this is a little bit of link juice. This guy over here, he has 41 referring domains and links back to 79 backlinks. So again, they have sites working as link juice for them, but again, they are very beatable with time. We can do that. So looking down below, we can see that these guys have these links over here. Okay, they have yellow pages or two which are directories. So what you go you go after them for your own site. We can find what they're doing. In every site we can see what they're doing, so we can go after them. So again, we went over content, your front page needs to be at least 1500 words. Citations, where you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. And link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. I bet you're wondering what's happening now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 980-240-6956. We can talk, and maybe we can see how we guys can help you out. As I said, I'm here to help you understand what can work for your business. Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.